ZwitterCo elevation elements are based on zwitterionic chemistry, which is revolutionary in the sense that it's very hydrophilic and very resistant to organic fouling, which doesn't adhere to the surface as well as with conventional membranes. One of the water sources that has a lot of organics inside is leachate, where the water is percolating through the waste and is producing a leachate that is full of organics and other components.
I'm Alain Edel, I'm an engineer at Serpol. Serpol is a French company specializing in soil remediation and wastewater treatment for industrial and municipalities. We are here on a small landfill in France that's owned by the syndicate called Zwitterionic. Main objective of this unit was to treat the landfill leachate in order to have a very good quality of permeate so that we can use it on site for the different activities like dust control or cleaning of trucks, and by this way reducing the consumption of water of the site. Before using ZwitterCo elements, we were changing our membrane every 2 to 3 months. We have seen a fouling of the membrane, so Serpol needed to clean the membrane every day. The frequently cleaning of the membrane was reducing the lifetime expectancy of the elements. In 2024, we start working with ZwitterCo and we tried their elements.
At Serpol in France, we have delivered some drop-in replacement membranes for Serpol, our partner. By replacing the membranes from conventional elements to the ZwitterCo elevation RO elements, we were able to lower the CIP frequency, especially of the alkaline cleanings, and we are also able to use chemicals that are less complex or expensive. Behind the ZwitterCo RO, which we are going directly into, it's producing this clear permeate that we are then collecting in the ponds here and which are compliant to discharge limits.
We are using ZwitterCo elements for 8 months and they are still running fine. So we are expecting to run them for at least 1 year. Before using ZwitterCo elements, we were using a specific cleaner that use tensioactive and EDTA. It's also a good change for the environment and for the economics of the project.
ZwitterCo is actively expanding within Europe, and because of the environmental push of European legislation, ZwitterCo elements have proven to be very reliable in the leachate space.
We are quite happy with the element from ZwitterCo, and we are looking to implement their membrane on different projects that we have for landfill leachate treatment or other treatments, for superfiltration or reverse osmosis membrane, which looks like a beneficial partnership for Serpol and ZwitterCo.